In today's video, I am going to teach you how to import contacts in Brevo. This is a useful skill when you are moving contacts from another platform, uploading a new list from a spreadsheet, or simply keeping your Brevo database up to date. Before you begin, make sure your contacts are saved in a CSV or Excel file and that your columns are clearly labeled, such as first name, last name, email address, or any other fields you plan to use. Clean formatting will help the import go smoothly. Once you are logged into Brevo, look to the left sidebar and click on CRM. This is where Brevo keeps tools related to managing customer information and relationships. After you open CRM, select Contacts. This takes you to the main Contacts area where you can view, search, and organize the people in your account. On the Contacts page, find and click Import Contacts. This starts the guided import process. When the import options appear, select Upload a File. This option is designed for bringing in a spreadsheet from your computer, which is the most common method. Now you will upload your file. Drop your CSV or Excel file into the upload area. You can usually drag and drop it or click the area to browse and select the file manually. Give it a moment to load, especially if your file contains a large number of contacts. After the file is uploaded, click Confirm your file. Brevo will then read your spreadsheet and prepare it for the next step, which is matching your columns to the correct contact fields. Next, click Confirm Mapping. Mapping is important because it tells Brevo what each column represents, so your data ends up in the right place. If you notice anything that looks mismatched, take a second to adjust it before moving forward, because correct mapping prevents missing or incorrect contact details. Finally, select a list for these contacts. Lists help you stay organized and make it easier to segment contacts later for email campaigns and automation. Once you have chosen the appropriate list, click Confirm your import to finish. Brevo will process the file and add your contacts to the selected list. And that covers everything you need to know.